All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:58 in the morning on August 16th, 2021, and this is my strategy session. So it is a very slow morning this morning, according to my strategies. Uh, the Although there is something starting to pop up now. It was on the scanners, but I don't like to look at stocks that are below $2 a share. This, for whatever reason, and I don't know why. I guess we'll start with this one this morning. MILEW is on trade ideas as being $1.39 per share. It was up 50%. It's now up 46.3% pre-market. It was up 50% pre-market. I don't know what's going on. I'll have it on watch. It's still, that's the only small cap that is so far I'm willing to say is worth paying attention to. Let's see. This one, TVTX, just started popping up too. Let's see what's going on with it. Okay. What's the news? August 16th. Travere Therapeutics kidney disease drug meets phase 3 trial main goal in interim results. Okay. So let's see. Met the late stage PROTECT study's main goal in interim results, showing a greater than threefold cut in urine protein levels compared to irbesartan after 36 weeks of therapy. Recipients of sparsentan showed a mean reduction in proteinuria from baseline of 49.8% compared to 15.1% in patients who received irbesartan, firm said. All right. Based on the results, the company stands plans to submit the drug in the U.S. for accelerated approval in H1 2022, and also intends to submit an application for conditional marketing authorization in Europe. Travere also said it believes preliminary data on estimated glomerular filtration rate, which is part of the study's secondary endpoints at the time of the interim analysis, is indicative of a potentially meaningful treatment effect after 2 years of therapy. Top-line results from the confirmatory endpoint analysis, which includes treatment's effect on slope over 110 weeks, is expected in H2 2023, the company said. All right. So if any of that made sense to you, maybe TVTX will be worth watching today. Maybe it'll be worth looking for momentum setups. I'm going to pull it up on the 1 minute. There we go. Let's look for some headlines on mildew here. See what the headlines say. August 16th. Alligator Bioscience announces new senior director of communications. I'm looking for Metro Mile. Okay, well, not really seeing anything for MILEW. All right, so the large cap that I have on watch today is SONO Incorporated. I actually own a couple of these. I have one for my kitchen and one for my bathroom. I bought them from Target probably 5 years ago. They're great. They're like, it reminds me of Bose speakers from years and years ago. So they recently had a really good quarter here. Let's take a look at it. They had a 169, almost 170% upside surprise in earnings just a couple days ago. And so it's catching a bid. And it also, let's see, revenues were up, earnings were up, and guidance is up. So their forward guidance is positive. So I imagine that there will be some profit taking. I mean, it announced earnings after the bell on the 11th of August. And it traded the 12th and the 13th, and it really didn't do anything until the after hours on Friday. And somebody decided to bid it up after hours. I don't really know why. Kind of a strange move. Anyway, it's Monday morning. All right, so now it's if it opened up right now, it would open up 9.6% higher than its previous close. So this is one where I'll watch. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on the open closely on the open, and I'll look for a setup for. I don't know if 39.22 and 38.37 if those prices will be reached. And actually, if I had to guess, pardon me, I need to drink some more caffeine here. Hang on a second. I'm going to get the Diet Pepsi going. Okay. Oh, goodness. If I had to guess, this price range probably won't get hit. I mean, if it does, it'll be, a raging buy. So, what I'll probably end up doing is watching the open, and wherever it opens, it'll most likely open. Probably, I don't know if it might run up a little bit and then come down and then back up, or it might just open, go straight down, and then come back up. In either case, a break of the opening price will be an entry. And so it just I have to wait to see where the opening price is going to be. So, and that's it. That is all that is on watch. Got TVTX that just started popping up. That might be a pretty good one. MILEW, which I have zero. Oh, so now it finally started showing the pre-market action there at $1.50. And then Sonos. 2 days after earnings were released, Sonos decided to start moving. So, okay. Broader market here. We've got to bump up. I think the first thing to see is the VIX here bumped up to 17 overnight. It had come down. You can see here the VIX had come down into the support line and launched a few points right off of that support line. So now I imagine it'll probably come up, and I'd like to see it test the underside and fail the underside of the gap, this 18.21. I'd like to see it fail there, and then really start to head down to break through this support line. That'll be very bullish for the broader market. Let's see. And so here's the SPY. I mean, the SPY is like, it's just on an upward climb. Just never short a quiet market, and don't step in front of a running bull. So it's bullish. I mean, there's a little bit of a pullback this morning. If it opened up right now, the SPY would open up 0.36% lower than its close on Friday. So no big deal. And then we have Bitcoin, which the price to beat on Bitcoin is now 47,929. We've got some pretty nice up moves here. I mean, it does kind of look like it might start to peter out a bit. 1, 2, 3. Hard to say. I think that there'll probably be some consolidation for a little bit underneath the 47,929, but then once it breaks through that level, it's gone. It's bullish. The thing is definitely confirmed price support over 42,000. So, keep an eye out for bullish setups on Bitcoin trades. Okay, that is it. That's all that I have for this morning. It's I'm sure it's going to be a busier day than what the morning is leading on. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more going on, but until that reveals itself, I think it's just going to be after the market open to kind of figure out, what happens from here on the day. Obviously, anyway. Good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you at today's recap. I am out.